Yogi. 안녕하세요. 얼마예요?
1,000원.
여기. 아, card. 여기? 오케이. 감사합니다. 안녕하세요. Let's try the should I call it trending? It's not trending. Pero when you go here kasi a lot of people are trying to do this coffee banana milk drink. So I got this for only 1,000. Ay, ang daming coffee. And this is the very famous banana milk. So I got this for only 1,800. Usually ano to eh, parang naka-sale siya ngayon. Pero ano siya, 2,800 ata. Something like that. I'm not sure, pero parang ganun. Oh. Oopsie. Kami pang natira. So I suggest you get the bigger cup. No? This is only 1,000 eh. So the bigger cup is 1,400. Sayang naman yung 400. Taste test. Paano ba yung reaction? Dapat ba yung reaction ko? Okay lang. Okay lang. Sis, you try.
그게 협상이거라.
Siguro kasi. Sarap! Yun na yun siya.